Hey guys, today we will be drawing a bubblegum girl and Pacey West. If you are here, whenever school starts again, I'm going to give you this zipper bracelet. If you want this one, I'll give you this one. I think your favorite color is blue. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to draw the neck. Just like this. 2 curves or 2 straight lines, your choice. And draw it like that. Then you're going to draw the head. Like this. You're going to draw the hair. So I like to draw hair like this. It curves a little at the end. Same with the other side. And then you're going to draw some in the front too. It's going to be fancy. Blue. Draw the hair tie. Like this. Going to draw again. That. And then same with the other side. Because that's where her hair stops. If you make a mistake, just erase it. It's easy as that. Just like this. Okay, so next you're going to want to draw the eyes. This will be a cartoon. It may be this small, it may be big. I want medium. Draw eyes whatever you want. You might be an artist and you might draw the realistic eyes. Color those in if you did the same as me. I don't know what you guys did, but comment down below. Add some eyelashes. Like that. Going to use this different eraser to erase all the other mistakes of the edges. Okay, so you're going to draw a smile, but her bubble popped. So you're just going to draw some sort of shape like this. And then you're going to draw something like this, like those little spike bubbles. Well, it's like if they're saying something, but this is just something that the sound. We're going to draw pop, all capital letters. You can make the neck smaller if you want. Now that I do it smaller, I'm going to draw a shirt. It's going to be like this. I'm going to draw a necklace, just like that, and a heart with a smile face, just for extra details. Like this. Now you're going to draw, or you're going to color now. If you want to draw details, you can. Her hair will be this dirty blonde. Comment down below what I should draw next. That's going to be this part, and then now we're going to get a yellow crayon because it's going to be a dirty blonde. My friend Liliana, if you're here, comment. I won't get to see her because she moved to Iuka. She has a dirty blonde hair. Just color it all. It may take you a while, but I soon got it. Next, you're going to color the shirt. Color the heart red. Color the necklace blue. And then you're going to get a colored pencil and simply just shade in the bubble gum. Like that. I'm going to add maybe some, I don't know what to add. Let's just color not in fully, but this part red and yellow, just like McDonald's and French fries. Now let's outline. So that you guys can see it better and other people can. Be extra careful, because I kind of messed up, but it's okay. I hope you guys can do it right. Make sure you get every single pencil line. Like this. Next, let's do these for hair. That. Eyes. You might want to color in them. This. I'm going to use this pen here, or you guys could use a Sharpie, a thick Sharpie. Just make sure you guys be careful. It's quicker that way. Just keep on tracing. Okay. Now, let's color her hair tie and her skin. I'm just shading in this orange because I don't have a peach. I think I do, I just can't find it. Maybe I'll buy a new crayon box next time. Don't forget, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, share, like, and comment down below. Bye!